I joined Job Corps so I can provide a better opportunity for myself.
I like working with my hands, and Job Corps really provided the opportunity for me to do so.
It's a very welcoming place, and I'm very excited to start my career here.
So Job Corps is a U.S. Department of Labor program started 60 years ago under the Johnson administration. It's the nation's largest free residential education and career training program serving 16 to 24-year-olds. Job Corps currently has over 30,000 students currently enrolled at the 122 Job Corps campuses nationwide. And over the years, a couple million have graduated successfully from Job Corps, and here in Chicago, we've had tens of thousands in just the 25 years that our campus has been located here in Chicago. So here at Paul Simon Chicago Job Corps campus, we offer a variety of trades. Carpentry is one of those trades.
It's a pleasure for me to be able to teach the kids so that they can launch their careers and experience the same benefits that I've gotten in my 24 years as a carpenter. They come in here with a shell. They come in here kind of hardened by the streets that they come from. And Ms. Figueroa and myself, we work very hard to break that shell, and you definitely see when it happens. There's a light that starts to come on in the student, and it's very rewarding to see.
Right now we have rock stars that are completing this program within 4 months because they are just using every minute on the floor. But it can take some students between 18 to 24 months, and that's because we have to share them with education. So they're in education 1 week and then trade another. So that extends their time here while at Job Corps. We do material handling, and that is where you go outside and you build your muscles to carry plywood, forms, 2x4s, and after that, they come in and they all start working on their independent projects.
They start with laying out, scribing, using hand tools, basic hand tools, learning the language of our trade.
Because it's at your own pace, Job Corps can really support you in whatever your needs are. I went to college for a semester and I realized it wasn't for me.
I'm new here and I'm learning a lot of things every day I'm here, and I'm very, very happy. All my classmates are pretty cool. They're all very friendly. My instructors are awesome. They're always there for me, and they're teaching me the things that I need to learn to be successful out in the field.
My favorite part about being here is really seeing my growth. As from when I started, I didn't really have anything going for myself. But now I could think of 10 years into the future and what I want to build for myself and provide for the people that I love and supporting me along the way.
We teach them basic employability skills as well as carpentry skills, and we get them into the registered apprenticeship program through the Mid-America Carpenters. I took that same career path 15 years ago, thank God. After I completed Job Corps, I became a union carpenter. I started as a first-year apprentice doing interior and also safety. And I believe that what helped me meet the standards of the field was the basic skills and the safety skills that I acquired here at Job Corps. And I hope that some of the struggles that I have gone through, I can empathize with them and I can help them through their struggles as best as possible. And I believe that that is what the Carpenters in the Brotherhood is about, is helping one another to strive and be better every day by encouraging one another.
Over the last year, Paul Simon has had the privilege and honor of placing 50% of our graduates into carpentry careers, and we hope to grow that number as time moves forward. We're the only training entity that I know of that has a direct path into our apprenticeship. So I would definitely tell a student it's worth it. You're going to acquire a knowledge and a skill that you'll never lose. So Paul Simon is a great place to start your journey.
This program is critically important all across the nation because we serve opportunity youth and we give them that opportunity to learn a trade and begin a career and become successful citizens all across the country.
My students are a bright light who make it very joyful to come to work. And we do our best to mentor them through the struggles of life as they come. That's what has helped me get to this position that I thank God every day for, to be able to share this experience with other students, and hopefully they take that same road.
I'm here to get the tools that I need to provide for my family.
I'm learning a lot here at the Job Corps Center, and I can't wait for the future and when I'm a full-time carpenter.
Here at Paul Simon Job Corps, we're given tools for life.